Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make some crunchy, crispy and yummy fritters which are called pakoras. It is also full of veggies and spices. I'll give you some tips on how you can make your fritters crispy like this. Can you hear the crunchy sound? Of course, yes. So without wasting time, let's start. So here I'm going to chop slightly less than 1 pound of cabbage. Cabbage is full of nutrients. It has vitamin K and C. It improves our heart, improves our digestion system, and it's loaded with antioxidant, also lower blood pressure and a lot more. I like its taste. How about you guys? We should definitely eat it. Okay, it's done. Let's put it in a large bowl. One more vegetable, cilantro or coriander. I'm taking almost half of a bunch. It has also vitamin A, C and K. Let's chop it finally. Absolutely green is always good. Here it goes, and let's put it in the same bowl. For more taste, let's add another vegetable, onion. It's a big one, so half will be enough. It will make our fritters more crispy and crunchy. Let's chop, chop, chop and chop. Okay, it's also done, so let's add in the same bowl. Now it's time to add our dry spices. First of all, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. The other spice is red chili powder. Here I am taking half teaspoon of red chili powder because we will add green later on. Next one is coriander powder. I am taking 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. And 1 teaspoon of cumin powder for more taste. One more crunchy ingredient, crushed red chili flake. I'm going to have almost 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. How we can forget garam masala? I'm going to have a half teaspoon of garam masala. It has cloves, cinnamon, black pepper and other dry spices. Let's add 1 tablespoon washed pomegranate seeds. Last but not least, green Thai chilies. I have added 3 chopped green Thai chilies. Now I'm going to add the main ingredient, gram flour. I'm taking 1.5 cup of gram flour, which is characterized by its relatively high fiber content, so it's really good. Mix all the ingredients very well. Stop. Let me give you a tip over here. If you don't want to fry the fritters right after the batter, then don't add water and salt, and you can keep this batter for some time. When you need it, add water and salt before you want to fry, because if you will keep the batter after adding water, your batter will be very soft and you will not be able to enjoy crispy fritters. Let's prepare our batter. For this much material, half cup of water will be enough because vegetables, especially onions, also contain water. Mix, mix, mix. The batter should look like this. Just take a look. Let's put it aside, not more than 5 minutes. Now the last step of frying. For frying, we'll heat the oil on low to medium heat. Put small chunks of batter in the oil with your hand. But if you are frying for the first time, use a spoon because it's safe. One more tip for crispy fritter is always you should test the oil by putting a small amount of batter to check if the temperature is good enough, because if oil will be too hot, your pakoras can burn from outside and will be soft and uncooked from inside. And if it will be cold, your pakoras will absorb all the oil and also will not be crispy. Okay, after a few minutes, when one side of all the fritters will be golden brown, we will turn them all and we'll wait until they are golden from the other side as well. Okay, so our crispy yummy pakoras are almost ready because they are golden brown from both sides. So let's take them out in a strainer to remove extra oil. So here I'll show you how crispy they are. Just listen the sound. What do you guys say? This is how we will fry all the pakoras or fritters. You guys can enjoy it in any weather, any time with mint chutney or tomato ketchup. They give equal taste. It's up to you. My pakoras are ready, so I'm going to enjoy them with chai. The chai link is in the description box. Go and check. If you try this recipe, send your feedback in the comment section, and if you like it, then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And if you did not subscribe my channel, do it now. Thank you all for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.